everyone! Another nature staycation and adventure na naman at nandito tayo sa Almost Heaven Lake Resort, Cavinti, Laguna. Before you get here, you need a boat ride for 100 pesos per head, two-way na yon. And there's a safe parking lot just near the boat terminal that's 200 pesos per vehicle overnight. Sa boat terminal, imimit kayo ng staff para tulungin kayo sa mga gamit at maihatid kayo dito sa resort. Make sure to finish the video dahil sa dulo namin ipapakita ang cottage rates. Tara, umpisahan na natin ang tour. Ang kinuha namin ay family suite. Tara, tingnan natin ang loob. So this is the living room area. At pag tumambay ka dito, you'll get to see this beautiful view. Ito naman ang dining area. Pag nagstay kayo dito, meron free 5 gallons purified water, refrigerator, makikita din natin meron silang mosquito zapper, smart TV with Netflix and YouTube. If you love reading books, may books din sila dito. This place is also pet friendly. Let's go inside the bedroom. It has 2 double beds, and if 10 kayo, they will provide additional beds. The room is air-conditioned as well. Vanity area, cabinet, and body mirror. This suite comes with own toilet and bath with hot and cold shower. Bring your own towel nga pala, pero kung nakalimutan nyo, pwede sila mag-provide with a minimal fee. This suite has a fully equipped kitchen, gas stove and LPG, complete cooking utensils and dinnerwares. You can gather your family, friends, or loved ones inside this beautiful gazebo. They have 2 gazebos, the Sunset Gazebo and the Sunrise Gazebo. They also have a pavilion for events and occasions. They have grilling area, the Martha's Grill. No need to bring charcoal kasi meron na sila dito. They have their own restaurant, cafe, and bar open from 7 a.m. last order at 7:30 p.m. May wifi din sila dito. Let's check the speed. You can order food here, but please make sure to order at least 2 hours in advance for preparation. It's 1:42 in the afternoon. Tara, kain muna tayo. Pwede kayong mag-day tour dito. Meron silang day tour hut, good for 10 packs each. You can play volleyball here. If you have kids, they have playground and kiddie pool. Under renovation nga pala ito. Tatayuan siya ng infinity pool with heated jacuzzi. Mag-o-open siya this late July 2024. Every spot, every moment here is an opportunity to connect with the nature. Sobrang nakaka-relax. Lalakad kami ngayon sa bamboo trellis. At dito kami magdi-dinner sa romantic gazebo. Pwede nyo nga pala ipa-romantic setup dito for special occasions. Magsabi lang kayo and they will prepare it for you. Almost Heaven is your outdoor paradise. You can explore the resort with activities like fishing, kayaking, jet skiing, at banana boat.
When you're down and feeling like you're lonely, someone else out there feels just like you. Go outside and be kind to a stranger. Watch what happens every time you